So you hear me say the word book funnel all the time. There is actually a website called bookfunnel.com. So is that the same thing? Is bookfunnel.com a book funnel? Does it help you create a book funnel? Short answer, no. However, it may still be beneficial for you to sign up. So I have created an account because it was only $20 for the base level. Now, the biggest drawback of the base level is that it does not allow you to capture email addresses, which is like part of the whole point of a funnel is to have contact information from people interested in what you do and to be able to maintain a relationship and keep them in your world. So it is definitely not a funnel if you're not gathering email addresses, but $20 for a year, there's still something useful we can do here. Even the middle tier, this does not have everything that a funnel really should have. You can do the landing page and you can deliver your books, but it does not have an email system. You'd have to take, if you're on the middle tier and you get email addresses, you'd have to take those and put them into a different system. And it doesn't have a way to offer other products. So, especially for nonfiction authors who are trying to sell something bigger on the back end, this is not a good program to do that. But as one of my friends, S.A. Grant, pointed out, it can be very good for promotion. So, what people are mainly using bookfunnel.com for is to deliver advanced reader copies or some kind of a review copy. So you can email a link to people to say, here's where you can download my book for free, so that, if you have reviewers or you have people ahead that you want to get their reviews up on Amazon the day of, you can offer it to people. So that is something people are using it for and finding valuable. But what I think is the biggest thing is the promotion stuff. So group promo and sales promotion, they have all these ongoing things. Let's take a look at both of these, where you can do things like trading newsletter announcements with similar authors. So you tell your list about their book, they tell their list about your book, and you get that cross promotion. Why did this take me to exactly the same page? Is this one going to do it too? Yes. What have I done? All right, maybe I have to click on these one at a time. Okay, let's see. Join a group. Oh, I see. It doesn't go to a new page. Okay. On your first-time author plan, which is the cheap one that I'm on now, you can cross-promote with other authors in your genre and find new readers. Interested readers can download your book without joining your mailing list or providing their email address. Boo. If you want to gain new mailing list subscribers, be sure your book invites readers to join your mailing list in the front and back of the book. All right. So create a download page and then join from the promotions board. Here we have some genres. So I'm looking at nonfiction authors. So newsletter. What's this one? It's where you're all going to buy each other's books, I guess. When it accepts all genres, that's probably not well targeted for you. Pre-orders. Okay, so if you've got a pre-order set up and you want a whole bunch of sales to sort of hit on day one, then that's the sort of promo for you. But you'll have to spend money on that because you're going to be buying people's books. So probably the newsletter exchanges are going to be the best thing, which is what a lot of these are. So you want to try to narrow in on ones that are very specific to you. So this is good for a lot of my clients who are doing mindset coaching and other kind of wellness things. It requires a mailing list size of at least 5 readers. Well, that's a pretty small list. Okay. Open to samples and excerpts. So if you had a book funnel like I create where it offers a teaser portion of the book, like a teaser chapter, then that could be included here. So that's pretty sweet. Stuff like that. So then there's author swaps. So you can find an individual author who's similar to you to swap with, I think. And let's see. So we looked at this one. Is this different? You can join a group sales promo, cross-promote with other offers. Readers can purchase your ebook in their favorite store. Okay, so we kind of already looked at that. So we create a landing page within their system, and then we can join these group promotions. So that is something worthwhile and may very well be worth $20 a year. But in terms of having an actual book funnel, this is not it. Every strategy that I teach relies on you having a book funnel in place on your website. So if you do not have a solid book funnel in place, or you don't even know what I'm talking about, be sure to click here to learn more about how you can set up a book funnel that will keep on making sales of not only your book, but your other offers long after the launch.